our elements are complete, and we have undead and earth and magic and light, fire and water, and we are.
Excuse me?
What?
Heavy.
And we are so happy to unbox them. So we're gonna take it away right now. So can I?
That phrase?
Mom, let me help her.
Let her help.
Now, YouTube, you may ask,
What is it?
Hyper beam or giant? It's giant, not hyper beam, but
Who's that one?
what is it? Fright Rider.
What is it?
Fright Rider. And this is how you enter
Let me
it
see.
into the game online, but I don't
I
want
can't
you
see
to
'em.
see the code. So May, take the code out. Take the code out, but don't show YouTube.
Where's the other one?
Here's the Prison Break.
Let me see it.
Prison Break. And here's a sticker. And here's First Rider. You did the same thing as last night.
Where's the other Skylander?
Oh, and this is Prison Break.
Let's see him.
Prison Break. Let's see him.
Nice.
If she's a giant, she's supposed to light up somewhere. No, I want to do a Game Boy. So show them. Bye. Bye. Bye.